Hello everybody, my name is Luis David Montiel. I am a student of University Secar. Well, today we go to talk about teaching method of the English language. Okay, the first slide is about educational method. The educational method is understood as the principles and method used for instrumentation taught by teacher to achieve the learning desired by students. These strategies are determined in a part on the subject to be taught, and partly on the nature of the apprentices. Well, in the second slide is about didactic. Well, it is sensitive pedagogical discipline that has as object to study the process and elements existing in teaching and learning, who prepares in the integral training of the apprentices. Object of the study: process and elements of teaching or learning, that is the tool used for the application of learning. Well, the third slide is about pedagogic. French Pyros means children and agogos mean girl driver. It is understood as the senses that have as object the study of education. Okay, the difference between pedagogic, didactic, and method is: pedagogic is practice or way to teach well. Didactic method to teach. Method, a strategy for the application of teaching. Well, teaching method of the English language are natural approach, total physical response, Gestupedia, direct method, cognitive approach to academic language learning. Well, the method, total physical response. The total physical response method uses commands and action performs to quickly integrate the new material of the language through the kinesthetic learning. This technique requires that the comprehension of English presents the student's ability to communicate orally in the language. Well, thank you so much. Goodbye.